Whoa! This is a rare find. A one-owner vehicle with only 16,000 miles. With a complete dealer service history and recent service valued at over $1,815, it's clear this car has been well cared for. This dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle is backed by the Quality Plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Plus, you can add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price when you buy today. Recent service includes all new tires, front brake pads and rotors, cabin air filter, and more. It's ready for the road. And with a pre-delivery inspection and new hubcaps, wheel covers, and exterior trim, this car is in great condition. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option at the time of sale and ensure total peace of mind with a pre-purchase inspection. Visit us today. Don't miss out on this one-owner gem with only 16,000 miles.